show you the backup, reverse. Doesn't do anything. You can see that the camera is bad. Now I'm gonna show you how to replace it. There you go. For the inside trim, the cover, you're gonna remove the handle right here, which is right here, 2 bolts holding it, and the rest is just all clips right here. Just pop them out, and there's a switch button for the trunk to open and close, and this is the connector for the camera right here. So for you to get the camera out, you're gonna take out the nut right here, 11 millimeter all around here. This one's a 10, and another 11 right here. And from there you're gonna use a flathead to pop this out. Now to avoid breaking anything, I started from the middle, so I kind of pull it out like this a little bit. I just popped one out already. You can see the clip right here. Now this part right here is a little bit hard. There you go. Now you just gotta pop the other side the same way. And, camera should be right here. After you remove the trim, there's a T20 Torx holding onto the camera. And there's another connector right here. Next step, I'm gonna remove this cover right here. Here you can see the hook on this side and the hook on this side. So what you're gonna do is sit down. I'm trying to do this with one hand, it's kind of hard. There you go. There you go. Now I got the camera out. Here's the old one. Here is my new one. Try not to touch the lens. You don't want to scratch the lens or damage the lens. Here is the part number from Ford. Now you're just gonna do the reverse step of removing. Well, I found out you didn't have to take out this clip right here, right? All you have to do is just remove this. All you have to do is just remove this little bracket right here that hold on to the camera. Now put the new one in. Put the connector first. Easier. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. There you go. Now for the cover piece, it's gonna go like this. This hooked down. There you go. And put your torch bolt back. The camera is nice and straight. I'm gonna feed the connector back into the hole and just try to pop everything back the same way. So I snapped everything back in, reconnect the connector. Now before you put everything back, you're gonna check the camera first. That's it, guys, for the camera install. If you like my video, leave it a thumbs up, comment anything you want to ask me. I'm trying to get back to you as soon as possible. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.